Hi, this is Extend Office. Need to mask phone numbers before sharing an Excel worksheet. Here's a customer list containing phone numbers. Before sharing this worksheet with others, I need to mask the phone numbers to protect sensitive information. In this video, I'll show you 3 easy ways to mask phone numbers in Excel. Method 1. Mask phone numbers with a formula. If all your phone numbers follow the same format, you can use an Excel formula to hide part of each phone number, while keeping the beginning and ending digits visible. Here I'll use a US phone number format as an example. Insert a helper column. Enter this formula. This formula keeps the first 6 characters and the last 5 characters, while replacing the middle 3 characters with 3 asterisks. Press Enter. Then drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to the remaining cells. Now you have a new column containing the masked phone numbers. This method works well when all phone numbers follow the same format. However, if your worksheet contains different phone number formats, you'll need to adjust the formula for each format. If you'd rather not write formulas, flash fill is another easy option. First, create a new column next to the phone numbers. Enter the header name. Select the blank cell next to the first phone number. Manually enter the phone number in the format you want. Press Enter to move to the next cell. Then press Ctrl and E. Excel detects the pattern and automatically fills the remaining cells. You can also go to the Data tab and select Flash Fill to apply the Flash Fill feature. Flash Fill is simple and convenient for one-time tasks. However, it may not produce accurate results when phone numbers have inconsistent formats or more complex patterns. If you're looking for a faster and more flexible solution, Kutools for Excel makes the process much easier. After installing Kutools for Excel, select the column containing the phone numbers. Then go to Kutools, Content, Mask Sensitive Information. In the dialog box, choose Mask Phone Numbers. Next, select the country that matches your phone number format. You can preview the masked results before applying the masking rule. If all your phone numbers use the same format, simply click OK to apply the masking rule. If your column contains multiple phone number formats, click Apply to mask one format without closing the dialog box. Then select another format and apply it again. Kutools instantly masks all selected phone numbers, without writing formulas or manually editing each value. Besides phone numbers, it can also mask email addresses, ID numbers, payment card numbers, and other types of sensitive information. It is a fast and flexible way to protect sensitive information. Thanks for watching.